happy?
I'm just Is this my MP player?
Spring chicken, which means you're young. Of course.
Why aren't you taking it?
That's good display, sweetheart.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna have the commentary in your recording, aren't you?
What commentary?
Well,
You do the commentary.
This picks up. To your right, you see London Eye, which is actually your left. But if you were on the opposite side of the London Eye, it would be your right, which is a nice, vibrant hue.